Jesus Christ, 3 days since I'm recording this. This video should have a 5 minutes, but it's just so many great cars on the market. So I will leave it like that. And probably not more than 10 of you will watch this till the end. Let's get started. Somebody 10 years ago will tell me that that will be not the cheapest roadster ever as a used car, and it will be more expensive than this. I will laugh in his face. But it is like it is, and we will try to discover the alternative today for little Miata. So, as you can see, if you will mark maximum 2 owners Mazda first generation Miata, then you will just have 20 offers in whole Germany. So, second hand maximum 2 owners Mercedes SLK, 132 offers. So, out of courtesy, we will start from Miata. You can see 20 offers. The lowest price, it's Jesus Christ, what the hell is this? For sure we will spend some time with it. So 6,000 euro, it's the minimum price which you need to spend for the Miata for the second hand, and up to 35,000 euro. Let's jump to the most expensive one. The car, it's really in a really nice condition. As you can see, have the original covers by the doors. Pedantic condition. The wheels, yeah, the wheels are terrible, but what I can tell you, if you are buying the car from the older person first hand, then you have to calculate this. Other one from the top, it's the 13,000 euro, looks better in my opinion, just needs some detailing. It have just 50,000 kilometers mileage, and I believe you will have the same condition then like for 35. Yeah, that's optimal choice. And another one, second hand, 6,000 euro. In my opinion, this part was repainted. Yeah, definitely it was repainted. But still, yeah, if I will go for Miata, then I will choose this one. 161,000 kilometers. The car is in nice shape from the second hand. I will feel no sorry to slightly modify this one. And what I prepare here? Ah, this monster. Jesus Christ, why you will do something like that to your car? But of course we are speaking about how it's looking today, you know, but we have to remember probably the guy modified this in middle of 2000s. This is DB9 or DB5? No, DB9 taillights. I don't know. But I believe if you will make double this car costed 6,000 euro. I believe for double or 15,000 you can already have today some Aston Martin DB7 or I don't know, I have no clue. 60,000 kilometers only, and 1.6. It's a shame. At least he can put there 1.8. So let's jump now to Mercedes, right? Right. First thing, they are starting from 1,000 euro, but you don't want to see this one's for 1,000 euro. First thing which we will notice here, it's the gaps here. That's a 3,000 euro vehicle from the first hand. Jesus Christ, this is the rust. So at least you will have a little bit of Miata spirit. The leather in nice condition. Question is, it was repainted or not, because as you can see, the central panel, it's pretty scratched. So I will say some bigger person was driving it, or it's an issue like in the Golfs and Passats from 90s. Like these parts was always in the Volkswagen, they was always kind of rubberized. Okay, Lambo doors. I believe that's enough for me. Let's jump to the next one. Beautiful color, but unfortunately this hood in black matte, that was a really popular modification in 70s and 80s. The people want to make their cars look more rally, and in these times they was putting, in 70s I believe, they was putting the matte hood so the sun will not reflect that much. It will not hit you in the eyes. Really nice interior. Jesus Christ, this blue paint, those blue leather for me. This is a packet designer, so this is like individual for BMW. You can see all this console, they are just unwrapping like that. What was this? 2014, the car have just 220,000. Okay, that's fine. Let's see how much it's have now. 280,000. Yeah, 230. Nah, but this is like almost 200 cars to choose. Look at this one, 250,000, first hand, everything black. Nokia holder, catalogs. I see the catalogs, get the guy have it. Everything nice and clean. Michelin, which year is this? Hard to say from this picture. But still 4,500. Let's go up. 6,500. 3.2 liter benzene. Yeah, I believe from 6,000 you can start to choose something. Of course, the center console need to be refurbished. Man, V6 3.2 and 127,000 kilometers mileage. It's like almost nothing. 220 horsepower, but I drove 124 Mercedes with this engine, and yeah, it feels like 350 horsepower for the new generation car. We are going up with the prices. 230, 73,000 kilometers. Yeah, I believe we can go 3.2. That will be something which I will hit into it. Really nice color, orange, metallic. As you can see, all of these cars, they are complete. With a little bit of wear, but they are really good bases. Something 9,300. And this is 10,000 for just 2.3 compressor, but have the nice interior. I'm not sure is it a design or trim, but for sure the car have the Brabus packet. That's for sure Brabus. Brabus Umbau. So the most expensive one which I found is for 28,000. So it's still cheaper than most expensive Mazda. The car have just 78,000 kilometers, and this is true AMG, 350 horsepower. Yeah, wow, that looks like brand new. I will say 28,000 for such a Mercedes is a little bit too much. What did he have? Did he have just a taxi W140 here? This is really interesting what the guy having here for sale. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Let's jump out on the table. It's really hard to choose the winner of this competition, so I prepared the Excel sheet. Design. Both of the cars are really beautiful. I know the people don't like the SLK, but I don't know, the Bruno Sacco designed this. If you are thinking the Bruno Sacco was wrong, that means you are wrong. This car, it's a pure 90s. It is like that, and I don't know, I believe in few years the people appreciate this. Bob Hall was not designer of Miata, but he was the father of Miata. He was a journalist. I will highly recommend you to Google the name of the guy. The designer was Kenshi Yamamoto. I don't know much about him. Anyway, hype. Mazda highly overhyped, so get 0 point. Nobody cares about this SLK, so it gets 1 point. Engine 1.6 versus 2.3 till 3.2. I believe SLK winning with this. Market situation, yeah, 20 cars versus 230 to choose, so I will say SLK. Wait a second. Rost, of course, -1. SLK 0. They are not so good, but they usually are really great preserve. The people, most of them, they was keeping them in garage. Mazda was following the password of Jimba Itai. That means the connection between the this driver and the car. And Germans, like the Germans, Sport, Leicht, kurz. So that means sport, light and short, but something didn't work here well, because the car is weighing between 1,200 kilograms to 1.5 ton, which for the 90s that's a pretty big number, right? So all together, so 1 0 1 0 0 points, right? 1 2 3 4 -1 3, so 3 points here, but we have to calculate this as well. So I will say 1,200 kilograms minus 940, that's 260 points for Miata, right? So yeah, the life is not easy. The Miata win again. And if you have some scratch cars, slightly banded here, what all you need to do is just slightly lift it up here. You will not damage anything. Yeah, and your roof will be repaired.
That's it for today. I believe nobody survived till this moment, but if you do, then I will remind you about my video from Zagreb meeting, and yeah, there is some posters to win. Bye.